Now that your production pipeline is scheduled and your tables are being refreshed automatically, it's time to connect your data to a business intelligence tool and start visualizing results. In this lecture, we'll connect BigQuery to Power BI so you can build dashboards directly on top of your Dataform models. This is where everything comes together. You've built the pipeline, you've scheduled it, you've tagged and executed production jobs. Now we're closing the loop with reporting that's always in sync with the latest data. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Power BI and click Get Data. Search for BigQuery and select the native connector. Click Connect. We'll now ask you how you want to authenticate. Use the organizational account option and sign in using your Google credentials. This needs to be the same Google account that has access to your BigQuery project. Back in Power BI, locate your project. Then open your dataset. Here it's Luminova dataset. Now you'll see all your tables and views. And as you can see, both dev and prod tables are available, like user behavior, sales funnel summary, and the prod versions below them. You can select just the production tables, or load both, depending on what you want to visualize. For example, you might just bring in prod sales funnel summary if you want to build a clean KPI-level dashboard on top of your final output. Or you can join it with other models if you want something more exploratory. Once you've selected your tables, click Load. From here, you can start building visuals, calculating metrics, and creating dashboards with live data from BigQuery. And because your Dataform pipeline is scheduled, those dashboards stay up to date. No refresh button. No manual exports. Just clean analytics on top of automated infrastructure. That's how you connect BigQuery to Power BI and close the loop from model to metric.